Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to see recent watched reels on Instagram. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Instagram applications. I can able to see a lot of reels over here, so it is coming over there. So I just choose some reels and I can able to view the reels over here. So whatever reels I can able to see according to my needs. For example, so these are the reels I just seen. So if I closed again means automatically the reels won't open. So I would like to see the recent watched reels. What I have to do here? Simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. Just go to Instagram and you will find a lot of reels over here. So from your side, so you can choose according to your reels and you can able to view. So whatever reels you love, you can see the reels and you can able to keep the reels. Really, it's easy way. So I just choose some reels over here. So these are my reels. So I want to see the reels again. What I have to do here? Simple and easiest tip. Like the reel first and just go back and just like some of the reels and just go back and see all kind of reels. Now I just close the Instagram app. So I closed the entire app. Now again I open Instagram. So I would like to see the same whatever reels I have seen. I would like to see that. What I have to do here? Simple and easiest way. Just click your username and your username will have your post and followers and followings. There will be on top you will find a three dots. Just hit the button of the three dots. There will be a saved archive and your activities will be there. Just hit the button your activities. There will be a likes, comments, everything will be displayed over here. So whatever reels you likes, everything will be displayed here, so you can able to identify. So these are the recent likes which I have seen. I can able to see again. So this is a simple and easiest way I can able to identify. I can able to see the reels. So if my history is stored like a likes means automatically I can able to identify. I can able to see. Similarly, I can able to see the comments reels. Whatever comments I've given, everything will be displayed over here, so that you can able to see that kind of reels also. This is a simple and easiest way. Your activities will be stored or your likes and comments option, so that you can able to see the reels once again whatever you likes. So that this is your activities, you can see whatever reels you seen, everything will be displayed over here. This is a simple and easiest tip for Instagram users. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.